I was also, fortunately or unfortunately, one of those people who failed to clear mains once. So this was my third mains. The mains that I failed to clear was, I attributed only to one thing, that was lack of answer writing. Because my first mains I cleared, I got a rank, I got my service, and then I just overestimated myself and got a little overconfident that अब तो मैं answers लिख ही लूँगी, I just need to focus on material. My content should be good. My answer should be good, and for that I need more and more content.
Right.
So I kept on making notes, I kept on consolidating those notes. All that was good, but I completely ignored answer writing. So
Okay.
for that particular mains, 2022 was the mains that I failed to clear, and that was only because मैंने अपने एक simulated environment में बहुत कम, in fact शायद 1-2 ही tests लिखे थे. So this time what I did differently was, I knew that भले मैं कम material पढूं, मैं उसे ज़्यादा बार पढ़ूंगी और मैं answers ज़्यादा लिखूंगी.
Right.
So something like short program, उसमें we used to have daily answers also sometimes. People
Right.
would post questions
Yes,
of GS1,
yes,
GS2.
yes.
We used to have every morning 4 questions used to be posted. So that really helps, because maybe if you can't solve a full length test, you can write answers to 2 or 3 questions. Send
Right.
those answers to mentors
Right.
who will give you feedback.
Right.
A lot of, as part of this program, a lot of sessions were carried on how to write answers.
Yes.
And how to write answers for different subjects. Like a GS3 answer is very
The template
different.
based, the templates we used to discuss, and this
Definitely.
year also we are doing the replicating the same.
Definitely.
The template based, because if many students, they have started asking me, sir, don't you think templates based answer will become monotonous? So my response to all those students are, see, templates are used to generate the points. आप points कैसे generate करोगे? मतलब अगर if you don't know the templates, you won't be able to generate the points. Templates doesn't mean you should always write the subheading social, political, environmental, legal. It's not like that. So template based answer writing is very important, and yes, for every subject, in fact, every topic should have a proper templates.
Yes.